So hello again, Max Alex. This video is for week 2 of our workout plan. And ito pong week 2 na ito, sisimulan pa rin po namin for warm-up. And yung warm-up po namin, of course, it consists first with the neck rotation. And yung neck rotation po na to, consisting 8 reps, clockwise and then 8 reps counterclockwise. And ito po ay 1 set only. So, after po ng neck rotation, we have the wingspan. And ito pong wingspan na ito, consisting of 8 reps to the right and then 8 reps po sa left. And ito po ay 1 set only. So, after po ng wingspan, we have the ankle circles. And ito po ay consisting of 8 reps and sa right and then 8 reps naman po sa left side. So, after po ng ankle circles, we have the lunge hold. And ito po ay consisting of 8 reps sa right and then 8 reps sa left. So, after po ng lunge hold, we have the hip circle. And ito po ay consisting of 8 reps counterclockwise and 8 reps clockwise. And ito po ay 1 set only. Yun na po yung kabuuang warm-up exercise po namin. So now, let us proceed to the main workout of this video of our week 2. And ito pong main workout na ginawa po namin is katulad lang siya na pinocus namin yung upper and lower body namin, upper and lower body part ng body namin, katulad po ng week 1. And yung unang-unang workout po na ginawa namin is the chest press. So, tapos na po yung 30-second rest for the first set of this workout. Proceed na po tayo sa second set.
Okay, position.
Position.
1, 2, 3, go.
1,
2,
3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
So, tapos na po yung chest press na ginawa natin for week 2 ng main workout po namin. And the next main workout na gagawin namin is called the bicep curls. And meron po kaming 15 reps for girls and 18 reps for boys. And we have 3 sets. And meron din po kaming 30 seconds rest for each set. Position. Position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 30 seconds rest. Ganun lang. Hindi siya bababa. Basta huwag gumalaw. So, tapos na po yung 30 seconds rest for the bicep curls. Let us now proceed to the second set of this workout. Position.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 30 seconds rest po ulit for the second set. So, tapos na po yung 30 seconds rest po natin for the second set. Let us now proceed to the last set of bicep curls. Position. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, tapos na po yung third set for this main workout or the bicep curls. And meron po kaming 30 seconds rest. So, tapos na po yung bicep curls. Let us now proceed to the lunges. And meron pong 15 reps for girls and then 18 reps for boys. And we have three sets for this. And 30 seconds rest pa rin po each set. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Kaya second set ang ganito.
So 30 seconds rest. So tapos na po yung 30 second rest for lunges. Let's proceed now to the second set. Position. 1, 2, left, left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 30 seconds rest. Paano yan ay? Paano na yan? Meron ka na. Baka na ako na lang sa last. Ganda na. Ganda na yung pag-ibig na. Balik mo din. Ewan ko. Okay na 60 minutes. So, for the last set of these lunges, mayroon po tayo 16 reps. Pare-parehas po for girls and boys. Position. Right.
1, 2, 3, 2. 16 na. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Last 30 seconds rest. Last two na. So, tapos na po tayo sa lunges. Let us now proceed to the lateral squat. So, meron po tayong 16 reps. Meron lang po tayong 2 sets.
Reanalyze.
lateral squat. And magpuproceed po tayo sa high knees, which is 50 reps each side. And meron po tayong 1 minute rest. And yun na rin po yung last workout natin for week 2. We are done with the main workout of week 2 video, and we'll proceed now to the pull down of this video. And for the first cool down, of course, we have the breathe in and breathe out. Katulad lang po sa week 1 namin na ginawa, it is 16 counts each inhale and I breathe in and breathe out. One set only. Go! So after po ng breathe in, breathe out, we have the quad stretch. Quad stretch, 8 counts. Quad stretch. stretch, we have the reclined hamstring stretch. Diretso na eh. Continue. Position. 16, 16. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, thank you, Lord. Next. So, after po ng reclined hamstring stretch, we have the pigeon glute stretch. Pigeon glute stretch. So for our last cool down po, we have the butterfly stretch. Meron po kaming 16 counts for this.
Basta iukat yung paano ni Candace. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Guys, magaling na lang pa rin.
Yes.
So, ayun po yung warm up, main workout, and cool down for the week 2. See you guys!
Bye!